All of this was, though, foretold years ago, before even the 4chan posts, by the way, by Billy Meier. Many of you who are awakened enough know about the Billy Meier case. If you're not awakened yet, you'll dig into it. You'll understand once you start diving into it. In fact, as you know, this singular authentic UFO case, 82 years old, is ignored by the media, censored, suppressed, and attacked by so-called UFO experts, as my friend Michael Horn likes to say. It's the Billy Meier UFO contact case, he's laid all of this out in text form. It's been copyrighted material decades before it's actually happening right now. I know, sounds crazy, but you can go read about it. Read about it on theyflyblog.com. That's where you can see it. Michael Horn does a great job of cataloging all of this there. In fact, they just posted this a few days ago. These drones are not from the Pleiaren. These are human craft, posted on December 15th. Go read it for yourself, and you can look at the drone video sources, and you can also see how this was predicted decades ago, what we're currently seeing right now, this man-made, quote-unquote, fake alien invasion.